Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the poem Try Again written by William Edward Hickson. First of all, we read out the first stanza of the poem. "'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for it you will persevere. You will conquer, never fear, try again." In this stanza, the poet tells us the importance of trying again and again. In case we fail in doing something due to some adverse circumstances, then what we need to do, we should keep doing efforts. We should continue trying again and again till we succeed. Now we read out the second stanza of the poem. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, this no disgrace, though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. The poet says that if we fail in first attempt, we should not get disappointed. We should try again because then we will become courageous. If we persist, because of this courage, we will conquer. The speaker admits that when we try again and again, we may fail once or twice. However, if we keep on trying, we will succeed. If we do not win a race, we should not give up trying again in shame. Now we read out the third stanza of the poem. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. In these lines, the poet says, if we find our task difficult to accomplish, we should not lose heart. Time will bring us our fruit of labor. We can also do what other people can do, but it needs patience. In short, this little poem gives us a thought provoking lesson. It points out a message of hope, courage, hard work, perseverance, and optimism. We should always keep this message in view to be successful and victorious.